Hello guys, welcome to Cool Ideas, and in this video we will make a beautiful looking umbrella which opens and closes. So let's begin with the A4 sheet. Make it a square. Initial process is simple. Just fold the sheet from the sides and now fold it in half. Now repeat for the other side. Now fold this sheet like this to get this square shape. Now we will do 4 folds in this step. This is the first fold. Now what we will do here is, we open the fold, reverse the crease and fold it again to reveal this triangular shape. Now repeat the process for the other 3 sides. Now in the next step, we will do 8 folds again on 4 sides. These are the first 2 folds. Now open the fold, reverse the crease, and now reverse the fold. Open the fold, reverse the crease and reverse the fold. So previously we didn't reverse the fold, but here we will be reversing the fold itself. So again repeat the same process. We are going to repeat this process for this side and also for this side. After all the folding is done, our piece is ready. Now we will make a different colored piece which is 1/4 of the original size. How to get 1/4 of the original, you may ask? Well, this is the way to do it. Now we will make a red colored piece from this red paper like this. Similarly make a yellow piece. Now we have 3 pieces. Now we are going to cut these pieces. We will cut the yellow piece on the red line as shown. Now make another small cut on the top. Now we will make 2 angled cuts. For that, mark 2 lines as shown and cut the piece. Finally our yellow piece is ready. Now let's make the white piece. Again we will cut on the red line as shown. Now we are gonna make 2 extra cuts in the center. So mark 2 lines in the center and the other 2 in the bottom. And cut the piece on the markings. It's time for the red piece. I'm not making the angled cuts in this, so I'll just make a cut on the top. Now it's time to fold the white piece. Start folding these edges. You can see that the white arrow-like structure will pop upwards. Just repeat the process for the entire circle. After finishing this, start reversing the creases, joining the white arrows. Now watch carefully, pick an outward fold and hold it. Now start putting these edges inside the fold you are holding. As you can see, I am holding these folds from the inside. Now just repeat the process. Start putting the edges inside the folds. There is no need to hold all the folds. Once folding is done, you can start leaving the previous folds. See these small folds? Notice how they are folded, because sometimes these little guys refuse to fold properly. If that is happening, just fold them one by one as shown and everything will be fine. Now it's time to put together all the bits and pieces. Apply glue on the yellow part. Now paste the white part inside. This should be done properly, so take your time and do it slowly. Our umbrella is almost ready. Now we are left with the easy things. Now take a wooden stick and paste a small piece of white paper on it. You can also use a chopstick or a bamboo stick, which are easily available in the market. Now insert this stick inside the umbrella. Now it's time for another strip. This paper strip will glue the top portion of umbrella with the stick. As you can see, it is looking very rough, so paste a finishing strip over it. Now put the red colored piece over it. Also paste a strip on the lower portion of the stick. And now it's time to make the mechanism which makes this umbrella fold and unfold. I am using glitter tape. I have pasted a small portion of paper on half of the glitter tape. So just paste the tape like this. And our umbrella is ready. As you can see, it can fold and unfold. You can also apply glue and stick the top portion if you want, as I've done in this orange umbrella, or you can leave it as it is, as I've done in blue and yellow one. So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative videos. Thanks for watching.